What a beautiful place we got here. Got a stunning kitchen. Got a wonderful lounge. Such a beautiful place we got here. Nice big tub with a shower. Got 3 bedrooms. The 1 bedroom with a nice study area. You got the 2nd bedroom, nice spacious. And the biggest bedroom, the master ensuite. You can see a lot of cupboard space here. And a wonderful big shower. And you could fit 4 people in that shower. Very, very spacious, neat, modern. And what's cool is, it's got a lovely entertainment area. Beautiful lounge, nice, spacious. Got a cool braai place. Nice for the boys, make some braai. Wonderful. Got a cool outside section. Very beautiful. Nice big garden for the kids to play in. So come through this Sunday, the open house. Come check it out. This could be your new place.